Greetings everyone, and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by again. This is day 3 for me in my stay here in Taguig. This is a follow-up video from yesterday. I'm going to show you the unit. I'm going to touch a little bit on renting out an Airbnb or condominium unit through Travelocity or TripAdvisor versus a hotel, staying in a hotel. I don't know, for me, economy wise, I choose the condominium units. I like it that it's like a home, more of a home, since I have accessibility to a kitchen, to a small kitchen. And I mean, condominium units here in Taguig or BGC are in abundance. There's a lot. So you pay $120, $130 on a hotel, then versus renting out a $35 to $60 unit in BGC or in Taguig, depending on the how many bedrooms that you need. So, I mean, for me, like I said, it's a no-brainer. I'd rather rent out on a condominium unit. Okay, so I'm going to show you the condominium unit. Like I said yesterday, I'm going to be using. I have a new. I figure I'd get a new phone dedicated to the Philippines. So I'm gonna. I guess this is going to be a product review also. It's a Samsung Galaxy J8. I have a Samsung Note 8 in the US, and I kind of like Samsung. So I'm going to try the video to show the unit using this video and see how the video works out. Okay. Alright, let me switch cameras. And this is the unit on Ridgewood Towers 2. Let's go to the restroom. Okay, so you have a shower, sink, where's the extra towel, and sink, and they provide the towel. Alright. This is the door, so it is, I guess, a reviewed TripAdvisor unit. This is the living room. The lighting, I have one light here. Okay. Sorry for the lived-in look. It's got that's my workstation on a table. You got 2 chairs, and then there's a fan there. I haven't used it. And you got the pans at your disposal. You got plates and utensils. You have a coffee maker, the bread, microwave, the water heater, rice cooker, and I put this in the fridge. They got a fridge too. I got my food ready there. Uh-oh. The bedroom, gotta follow the house rules, and it's got the internet is fast. And this is the bedroom. I think this is a twin or a queen, maybe queen. Okay. And you got the aircon conditioning on. You got a TV and cable, which I haven't used. You have an extra foam bed in case you have a guest. So that's it for the tour of the unit. It's fine. Not too small, not too big for me. I get a bed. I got the workstation. I can use the kitchen whenever I need to. Last night I got hungry, so I heated some water, put it on a cup of noodle soup, and solved. Again, you do a hotel, you get a hotel for $120, $30 plus versus a $35 night on a condominium rental. All right. With regards to the J8, I've never had any problems with it. I mean, I've had it for 2 days. I love it. I checked the footage on the camera. It's clear. It's nice. It's got 16 megapixel front and back. I'm not much of a techie, so I guess that's all I can offer with regards to. I'll put in the specs on the info. All right, and so that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is a travel day. I'll be in La Union in the afternoon, so hopefully I could upload a little something on our way to up north. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.